I'm a dietitian that created a virtual program helping families with blended tube feeding diets. I get a lot of requests for recipes that are simple to follow, minimal prep ingredients, especially for those days when you have a lot going on and you just don't have a lot of time to put into a blended meal, but you still want it to be nutritious. So I wanted to show you a cool idea for a way to use the Real Food Blends turkey pouch to create a blended meal that's really easy to use, and you can have it around Thanksgiving time and share meals together as a family. Part of a blended diet, and the reason why I love blended diets, is that you can use foods that you already have on hand, that you are already making for the rest of the family, and together you can all share in the same food and the same meals together. For this recipe, I used green beans, dried cranberries, pure pumpkin puree, pecans, cinnamon, and a turkey Real Food Blends pouch with some whole milk to thin it. It was so easy to make, and I love all the colorful fall foods. You want to aim for thin pancake batter consistency with your blended meals. It's the higher viscosity of a blended diet that's been shown to help with digestive issues like gagging, reflux, and vomiting. I really hope that you like this recipe, and if you give it a try, let me know how it goes. And as always, talk to your medical team before making any changes to your diet, but let me know if you try this recipe, and as always, reach out with any questions.